Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can instantly convert Spaylater to Gcash. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First, make sure your Spaylater account is properly integrated with your Gcash account. This integration typically happens when you sign up for Spaylater through the Gcash application. Launch the Gcash app on your mobile device. Inside the Gcash application, navigate to the Spaylater section and check your Spaylater balance. Use your Spaylater credit to make transactions within the Gcash application. You can use it for various services such as bill payments, purchases, and more. If you encounter any issues or have specific questions about using Spaylater within Gcash, consider reaching out to Gcash customer support. They can provide assistance based on the latest features and policies. So that's basically how you can instantly convert Spaylater to Gcash. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.